Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop. This is an HP laptop 14-CM0008 model. And in this video I'm going to take you on over step by step how you can open it up and how you can remove or replace the battery on your laptop. If your battery is not holding up anymore, charge, just discharging really quickly, or it just pretty much inflated. Sometimes they do get inflated back there and it will push toward the palm rest and you feel like this bulge right over here. That's because the battery is about to explode or it's just inflating. And they do explode really bad because we have seen it in the store that they have exploded. They do come batteries like this and they're really thin. And once they start exploding, they just get really thick. I'll leave the link for a compatible battery in the video description and the tools I'll be using so you can purchase yours. All right, with all that said, let's get into it. Most people ask me in the comments, like, do I have to do anything after replace the battery? Do I have to any configuration? There's no configuration that you need to do once you replace the battery, but there's a really crucial and important step that you have to take once you have the new battery installed on your laptop. I'll let you know that at the end of the video. All right, just for now, let's go over the tools and how you're going to open it up to get to the battery. First thing first, you want to power off the laptop. Make sure you completely power it off. You want to flip it upside down and you need a screwdriver set. I highly recommend to grab the iFixit screwdriver set as they have all the screw bits that you need. You're going to use a Phillips 1, and I purchased the basic tool set, but if you do purchase the Pro set or the complete set, they will give you opening tools and stuff like that, tweezers. If not, buy yourself a metallic guitar pick are really suitable to opening cases and covers. All right, with all that said, let's get into it. So first thing first, we want to remove the rubber feet at the bottom of the laptop. This one is kind of cracked up. So you want to put the opening tool right underneath and you want to lift it up as a little adhesive. And you want to lift up in 45-degree angle, bring it up. Once you see this first screw, you want to stop. You do the same thing on the back. Now, the back one, you have to bring it up in 45-degree all the way. Stick it to the side because there's that 3 chrome screws on the back, 1 chrome screw on the front, and there are 2 chrome screw, but these are kind of not shiny ones in the front. You want to remove the 2 front ones. All the screws are the same size and height, but if you put the shiny one in front, it's going to look really shiny, but these are not kind of dull, so they're not shiny, so that's why they put it in the front. Remove all the screws. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. All right, once we remove all the screws, what you want to do here is to open up the laptop screen a little bit. You're going to open it up, 45-degree or whatever you want, doesn't matter. You want to stick the guitar pick about 2 or 3 millimeters inside the case and the bottom cover, just like that. Once you put it in there, you just want to twist it, and then you see now it's opening. You move a little bit forward, move it, and you want to hear a big click sound. That's what you want to hear, those click sounds. I'm going to stick about 2 or 3 millimeters of the guitar pick. So do that all around on the side towards the USB port. Go to the back corner, do the same thing on the back corner. Do the left and right side. So I'm going to stick it right in here. And go all the way to the back corner and pop the back corner. Once you do the side and the front, you can put it down, grab from the front end and wiggle it around, and it will release the bottom cover. All right, and right here you can see the battery right in front of you. The model for the battery is an H303XL. This laptop does not have a dedicated BIOS or CMOS battery. The CMOS charge on this one, the CMOS is right over here. The CMOS, it takes its charge, 3.5 volt charge from the battery connector right through here. So if I get lots of people asking me, where is the CMOS battery? This one doesn't have any. It takes a charge from the main battery. So to remove the main battery, there's 4 screws that you need to remove. One right here, one right in the corner, one beside the jack connector, and one right in here. So go ahead and remove all the screws. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mix matching them. Go ahead and remove them. All right. Now what you want to do, you want to grab it right by the connector in here You want to bring it this side up 45-degree angle. Don't yank it too much. And then we got to slide it towards the fan so we can release this connect jack that goes under this plastic cover. And there is the battery. And you can see it's kind of dirty. You can clean it up. So again, if you have the new battery in, they look the same pretty much. Some of them say HV, some they don't. So grab the battery that is for you, or you can check the link in the video description. Once you got the new one in, make sure you put this corner down there and bring this side under this cover in there underneath. You see this one is already broken in the corner. So just be careful. Don't tighten up the screws too much. Bring it down. Make sure you put the connector straight on the jack. Don't go sideways or anything. Straight in. Otherwise, you try to put it sideways, and you can create a short right in there, and game over. Once you have the battery in there, all you want to do, you want to put the screws. Don't tighten up too much the screws. When you tighten up too much the screws, the plastic will get damaged, like this one in the corner in here. So just tighten it up, but not too tight. And so let's go ahead and put all the screws in. Once you have the batteries in there, all you want to do, grab the bottom cover, scoop down where you have the HDMI port in there in 45-degree angle, bring it in there, push it down, you hear a click, and then you push this fight down, and you want to hear a nice click sound in the back, 2 clicks, in the front. And then what you want to do, you want to open it up, and you're going to see these gaps in here. And you want to pinch them together, and it will make a nice big click sound. That's what you want to do. You do that all around. And to finish it off is to putting down the bottom screws. Remember this kind of dull screw chromes go in the front, and the rest goes under the rubber feet. And then you got to put the rubber legs over. You can purchase the new rubber feet on AliExpress or on eBay. They're really cheap. All right, now regarding the new battery, once you have the new battery on the laptop, I do not recommend to power it on right away. It is important to leave it off and plug in the charger and let it sit there for 3 to 4 hours charging. After 3 to 4 hours, once it's charged, you want to power on the laptop without the charger plugged in. You want to drain the battery very slowly, bring down the brightness down to 30-40%. Let it drain down slowly, don't put anything heavy load. Once it's down to whatever your Windows configuration is set at, 20 or 30%, you want to power it down again, and you want to plug in the charger, and you want to let it sit there charging for another 3 to 4 hours. After that, you can use it as you wish. That initial charging and discharging, it is very important and crucial for the new batteries. You should be doing that once every couple of months to keep the health of the battery at its peak performance possible, state possible. All right. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.